So let me show you how to convert BNB to Bitcoin on Trust Wallet. After you open the Trust Wallet, now go to swap section. So from this swap section, now tap on this first option now to select the BNB. Tap on this search and search for BNB. So now here is the BNB, select this one. So the second option, tap on this option now and search. After you tap on this option, now tap on this and search for BTC. After you search for BTC, allow it to finish loading. So after you search for BTC, now tap on this option now to select the network. So from the network section, scroll to down and select BTC, Bitcoin. So after you select the Bitcoin, now here is it. Now select this one, Bitcoin. So now specify the amount of the BNB you want to convert to Bitcoin. Now type in the amount of the BNB at the top. Let's say 200. So after you type in the amount of the BNB, so here you'll be able to see the equivalent of the BNB you'll be getting in BTC. Here is it now, and tap on this swap button. That's it, guys.